Hello everyone, welcome. Today let us explore the working with Google Drive. Google Drive is a free cloud-based storage service that facilitates users to store, share and collaborate files and folders. Such sharing can be done from any device, be it mobile, computer or tablet, with anyone at any time. So let us see that how do we open Google Drive. As you can see, I have already logged in with my Gmail ID. Now in the Google Apps button, we'll click on Google Drive. Once we open Google Drive, we can see that Google Drive provides us with a storage of 15 GB free to all the users. As you can see here, 0 bytes has been mentioned. That means 0 bytes have been used in the storage of this Google Drive so far. Now we can upload and we can save n number of files and folders in Google Drive so that they can be accessed at any time at any place with the systems that you have. As whatever content we upload on the Google Drive, it is being stored on a cloud-based storage. Let us try and see that how can we create a new folder in a Google Drive. We'll just click on this plus sign, new. We can create a folder in our Google Drive. For example, we want to create a folder for assignments of our students and for the students of say first year. So we can create a folder here. Once the folder is created, we can make some changes to the folder that we have created. Let us just click on the folder and see that what features are available. First thing, we can drop some files here. We can add some files here already saved in our system, or we can also add some Google Docs in case we have received from students, or any kind of files we can add in this folder. Also, we can make some changes in the description of this folder. Now, for instance, if we click here, we have the option of change color. Then we have the option of renaming the folder. For example, if we change the color to green. Now, what happens basically, if I take you back to my drive, you can see that this folder will be in green color. So simple color coding can also be used in Google Drive in order to identify the different folders with different colors. For example, the folders that are of prime importance, they can be saved in form of red color, or the documents or the folders that are of your personal work, they may be marked with a different color. Now let's open the folder again and see that what different features are available. So the very first thing we have is that we can open this folder and the files available with different connected apps. So far, we don't have any other apps connected. We can add other subfolders in this folder itself. For example, here if we create another folder, I had mentioned about assignments first year only. Now here, for assignments of BCom first year, create. As you can see, the folder is here. Another folder that we wish to create is, for example, say BBA, and another folder that we wish to create here could be of MBA. So that means we had created a folder where we wanted to save all the assignments of first year students. First year students of BBA would be mentioned here, for BCom here, and for MBA here. Now we can again click on the folder so that we can enter the folder. This is in the My Drive, assignments first year, and further we have reached the folder of BBA. Again, the same options that were available for the folders initially. We can open the folder with different apps. Here again, we can add some new folders. And the most prime function of Google Drive is that it can be shared with any person. For example, if I click on share, that is, if I want to share the assignments of BBA first year with the college authorities, I can simply mention the email ID of the person. For example, I've mentioned this email ID, and with any message that I want to enter here. Now we have the option here that you want the person with whom you are sharing this Google Drive link only to view or to edit. That means he or she who's receiving this document will be able to organize, add and edit files. Here we just want the person to view, and we can click on send. So this file has been shared. Now it is also possible to share any kind of Google file or any Google folder with number of people by simply opening a shareable link. That is, if I click on BBA again and I click here on get shareable link. Now, if we want to share the contents of this particular folder with a number of people and we do not want to invite each and every person specifically, we can use the option of sharing with everyone. How it can be done? Now we'll click on sharing settings here. And here you can see that we have the option of get link, which is already restricted. By default, it will be restricted. We can change the settings to anyone on the internet with this link and view. Now we can copy this link and the link has been copied. Now, if we provide this link to any group of people, each one of them will be able to view the contents available in this folder. Now, for example, the assignments that we have saved on the Google Drive, they are to be shared with the administrative staff of the college or the university. So don't worry at all. We just need to upload the content on the drive and copy this Google link and then share it with the people. Now we can click on done. Now, as soon as we've done that, now if I place the cursor here, we have a message that link sharing is active, which means that anyone with this link will be able to view the file. ck.demostc@gmail.com is the email ID with which we have been working. This is the owner, and another person with whom we had shared this file is the ID here. Now let's try and add some files to this folder. I simply right clicked here. We can upload a folder, we can upload some files, or we can create a new folder as well. Let us upload some files. Now, for instance, I want to upload this Word file. The moment I selected the Word file from the desktop, I have a message being reflected here, one upload complete. Depending upon the size of the file that we are trying to upload, the time may be different. Now here you can see that the name of the file, the owner, the time at which this was last modified, and the size of the file. The view of this particular folder is in this manner, in a list form. If we want to have it in a grid view, we can simply click here and we'll be able to see the contents in the grid view. Now, besides that, we have this option of view details. Now, if I select the file and I click on view details, so here, if we scroll down, we can see every information that is available about the file that we had just selected here. We can add a specific description to this file itself so that we don't have any kind of confusions in future. Also, this can be done with a specific folder. Now let's go back to the folder of assignments first year. Here, if we scroll down, we can add a description. Now let's add a description here. We can mention that it contains assignments for the subject of business management for the session 2019 and 20. Or any other content that you want to add here, or any other description that we want to give, it can be done very easily from this particular page. Once we are done, we don't need to do anything. We'll just click on the close button and the description has already been saved as soon as we typed it. Again, as already mentioned, there are different features available through which we can change the colors of the folders as well. So this was about the basic first feature of sharing and adding a file or a folder in a Google Drive. We'll continue with the rest of the features and rest of the contents in upcoming videos. Stay tuned for them. Thank you.